Welcome in your physics class. There are three modes of transfer of heat: conduction, convection, and radiation. Radiation is the fastest mode of transfer of heat and does not require material medium. दोस्तों, ये सबसे तेज और वैक्यूम से भी हीट ट्रांसफर करता है. The best example of radiation is heat transfer from sun to earth. When heat radiation incident on surface of the ordinary body, the part of incident thermal radiation is reflected, some part is absorbed by the body, and rest of the part gets transmitted through the body. Let Q be the total amount of thermal energy incident on the body. QR be the total amount of thermal energy reflected by the body. QA be the total amount of thermal energy absorbed by the body. And QT be the total amount of thermal energy transmitted by the body. According to law of conservation of energy, Q equals QA plus QR plus QT. Dividing both sides by Q, we get, see, Q is cancelled with Q और हमें मिलता है 1. Now look at the first ratio. It is the ratio of amount of heat absorbed to total quantity of heat incident. This is called coefficient of absorption and it is denoted by A. Now second ratio is the ratio of amount of heat reflected to total quantity of heat incident. Okay, so and this ratio is called coefficient of reflection. The third ratio is the ratio of amount of heat transmitted to total quantity of heat incident, and this ratio is called coefficient of transmission. It is denoted by T. So our equation now become A plus R plus T equal to 1. Okay. Right hand side of this equation is always 1 for all values of A, R and T. If A and R are equal to 0, then using above equation, T will be 1. In this case, an object is perfect transmitter. Such substance through which heat radiation can pass is called diatherminous substance. For diatherminous substance, T can never be 0. Such substances are neither a good absorber nor a good reflector. Glass, quartz, sodium chloride, hydrogen, oxygen, dry air, etc. are the examples of diatherminous substance. If T equal to 0, then A plus R equal to 1. In this case, an object is perfectly opaque to radiations. Such substances through which heat radiations cannot pass is called atherminous substance. Water, wood, iron, copper, moist air, benzene, etc. are the examples of atherminous substance. If A and T are equal to 0, then according to above equation, R will be 1. In this case, an object is perfect reflector. If R and T are equal to 0, then A will be equal to 1. Okay, in this case, an object is perfect absorber. A is equal to 1, that means it absorbs all incident thermal energy. And such body is called perfect black body. Remember, black body doesn't mean black colored body. It means the body for which A is equal to 1. Details about perfect black body will be discussed in next episode, episode 6. To get regular updates, subscribe our channel and press bell icon. The value of A, R and T depends on material of an object and wavelength of incident radiations. Thus, it is possible for the body which is atherminous for one radiations may be diatherminous for certain wavelength. Does radiation require medium? Now next question, what is the ratio of amount of heat absorbed to the incident heat called? If A equal to 0.2, R equal to 0.5, then what is the value of T? If T equals 1, A equals 0, R equals 0, then substance is option A diatherminous, option B atherminous, option C ordinary body, option D black body. Okay, comment your answer. Complete the statement. The substance opaque to radiations is called. Complete the statement. The substance with A equal to 1 is called. You may comment your answer in comment box separated by commas. In MCQs, just write option A, B और C. तो दोस्तों, आज का ये टॉपिक आपको समझ में आया? अपनी क्वेरीज कमेंट बॉक्स में जरूर डालें। पसंद आए तो लाइक जरूर करना और दोस्तों के साथ शेयर करना ना भूलें। फिर मिलेंगे अगले वीडियो में। बाय बाय।